And imagine a place where sun-kissed beaches meet sprawling vineyards, where vibrant cities stand against the backdrop of majestic mountains. Picture a land where golden sands caress the azure sea, where vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see. Envision bustling metropolises teeming with life, nestled beneath towering peaks that reach for the sky. This is a place where the waves whisper tales of adventure, where the mountains echo with the promise of discovery. Welcome to California, a realm of endless wonder and adventure. You've arrived in the Golden State. Now it's time to explore the myriad attractions that make California a must-visit destination. First up, the iconic Hollywood sign, perched high on Mount Lee. This cultural landmark is more than just 9 giant letters. It's a symbol of dreams and ambitions. The sign has been watching over Tinseltown since the Roaring '20s, standing as a beacon for all those drawn to the glitz and glamour of the silver screen. From the glimmering heights of Hollywood, we journey to the majestic Golden Gate Bridge. This remarkable feat of engineering stretches across the entrance to the San Francisco Bay. Since its completion in the late '30s, the bridge has become an enduring symbol of the city and a testament to human ingenuity. Next, we venture into the sprawling vineyards of Napa Valley. This sun-soaked region is a wine lover's paradise, boasting more than 400 wineries. Here, wine is more than a beverage. It's a way of life, steeped in tradition and innovation. Finally, we find ourselves in the heart of the stunning Yosemite National Park. This natural wonderland is a tapestry of towering sequoias, thundering waterfalls, and granite giants. It's a place where one can truly connect with nature and experience its raw, untamed beauty. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a wine connoisseur, or a thrill seeker, California's attractions offer something for everyone. But visiting California isn't just about seeing the sights, it's about immersing yourself in the Golden State's lifestyle. There's a certain allure to the California way of life, a blend of laid-back vibes and adventurous spirit that's uniquely its own. It's a place where you can ride the ocean waves in the morning, savor world-class wines at noon, and hike towering mountains by sunset. Start with the surf culture in Santa Monica. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or a first-timer, there's an invigorating thrill in catching a wave, a sense of unity with the vast, limitless ocean. Next, journey to the heart of Napa Valley, where rolling vineyards paint a picturesque landscape. Here you can indulge in wine tastings, savoring the intricate flavors of some of the world's finest wines, each with its own unique story. For those with a thirst for adventure, the Sierra Nevada mountains beckon. With countless trails, you can lose yourself in the beauty of unspoiled wilderness, breathing in the crisp, clean mountain air. And let's not forget the vibrant food scene in cities like San Francisco and Los Angeles. From food trucks serving fusion cuisine to Michelin-starred restaurants, every meal is a journey through a diverse culinary landscape, a testament to California's melting pot of cultures. In California, every day is an opportunity for a new adventure. So why not step out of the ordinary and dive into the extraordinary, embracing the California lifestyle in all its glory? From its breathtaking landscapes to its vibrant culture, California is a place that captivates the heart and soul. We've journeyed through the Golden State's stunning attractions, soaked up its diverse lifestyle, and discovered the endless adventures it holds. Whether it's the allure of its sun-kissed beaches, the charm of its historic towns, or the thrill of its outdoor activities, California offers a unique experience for every traveler. So pack your bags. Your California adventure awaits.